Welcome back to Kadima Locksmith. Again, I'm at one of my biggest customers, which is a repo company. And today we're going to be programming a 2016 Nissan Altima. But this time, we're not going to use the Auto Pro Pad Lite. We're going to use something called the OBDSTAR X300 Pro 3. And because this programming system is not or does not have the capability of pulling a 20-digit pin, we're going to hook up another unit to connect with that to help us pull a 20-digit pin. And this is called the Nissan Pin Wizard. Okay, looks something like that. And the X300 looks something like that. So we're going to be programming a aftermarket proxy, which is going to be this proxy, and this is a push to start. So how we do this, we hook up the OBD to the Nissan pin reader, and then we connect the pin reader to the OBD system, and that is powered up, working. And understand that all this is going to work simultaneously. All this is going to work together in hand. You're not going to see the 20-digit pin. It's just going to automatically calculate. So let's get started. We're going to go to, the first thing we're going to do, is cut on the hazard. Okay? The second thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the vehicles. We're going to go to immobilizer. We're going to go to Nissan. Nissan and Infinity. And then we're just going to go through the same prompts that we would go through if we was using the Auto Pro Pad, other than the fact that the Auto Pro Pad pulls the 20-digit pin automatically. And that's why we have the Nissan Wizard to help us pull the 20-digit pin. So we're not going to go to pin code or calculate anything. We're going to go right to the source, which is we're going to go to type, and then we're going to go to 20-digit pin because this is a 20-digit. And then we're going to go to the smart system because this is a smart system. And then we're going to go to type. And we're going to go to type 1 because type 1 operates 16, 17, 18, and so forth and so forth. And then we're going to go to program smart keys. Okay? The hazard are already on, so we don't have to worry about that. We're going to continue. You hear that beep? Now we into the system. So we're going to clear all the keys. And also, please note that when you heard that beep, it started reading the 20-digit pin code, as you can see. So we're in the system. We're going to start the programming system now. Okay. Hazards are on, and we're going to force the ignition on at this time. The ignition is on. So we're going to do okay. It's reading the information, and then we're going to shut it off and do okay. Now, once we start this process, you will know if this is the right FCC, the vehicle will turn on. If it's not the right FCC, the dash will not turn on, and you will hear the 5 beeping sounds like you're supposed to, but it will not turn on, which indicates it is not the right FCC. So let's do that. Touch it with my finger is going to turn orange, blinking, which means it's in a programming system. Now we're going to put it up. We're just going to put it up to it. If the dash turns on, that means it is the right key. You see the immobilizer light blinked 5 times. Okay, and then we're going to do okay. Yes, it is off. So we're going to switch the vehicle off. It's reading the information. We don't have any more keys to program, so we're going to do no. Okay. Now we're going to close the system. And we're going to do the same thing we done to program the key. Now we're going to close the system. We're going to do the same thing. Tap on it, orange. It turns on. You hear the beeping. And now you're going to see key register on the dashboard. Key register on the dashboard. I don't know whether or not you can see it, but the key has been registered. Now we're going to turn off the hazard. Do okay. The key has been successfully programmed. Now we're going to test the key. Lock, unlock, alarm system. And now the most important thing, we're going to see if the vehicle cranks up. Yes, it does. Thank you guys for watching. Again, coming to you from Kadima Locksmith using the X300 together with the Nissan Pen Wizard. Thank you for watching.